Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mariluz and today I wanted to do like a unboxing from Ulta. I got this cool box right here and I'm really excited to show you what I got. So I'll show you in a minute. Okay guys, so I'm going to open this box right here. I don't know how you guys open boxes, but I usually open it with my keys or with a pen or whatever. So I'm going to slash this open. Yeah, I'm kind of a savage opening boxes. Okay, so it is opened. We got some plastic. I got fragrance samples because I think I'll have enough makeup and skincare samples, so I decided to go with fragrance. And I ran out of perfume, so you know, something to use. I can't wait to show you, but I just wanted to ask, how many of you guys prefer to go online than to go to the store? I mean, I think that's what happened to me this time. These are things that I really needed because I was running out, and instead of going into the store, I decided to pick it up online. Now I did go online because there was just one item that I kind of decided or thought that I wasn't going to find it at the store, and it was on sale. I got a 20% off coupon for it, so that's why I did buy it online, and it was free shipping, so I decided to, even though I have an Ulta like not even 5 minutes away from work. So I just want to know, do you guys do that? Do you guys prefer to buy online than to go to the store, even if the store is really close to you? Just let me know in the comments. But the first thing that I do want to show you is this little thing here. Well, it's not that little, but it's a dry shampoo. It comes in a plastic bag. I don't know why, but okay. Oh, it comes with the tape too. I've never bought this online, so that's really cool that it comes with the tape. That way the cap doesn't run loose. But yeah, this is my living proof. Thank you very much. This is my living proof perfect hair day dry shampoo. It says it actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat, and odor. This can is 4.0 ounces, and I do love this dry shampoo because now instead of wearing my curly hair, I straighten my hair all the time. I blow dry it and straighten it, but I don't do it more than twice a week. I think the most I could do is twice a week, but most of the time I just do it once a week. But because I've been working out, sometimes it can get a little bit sweaty and kind of oily, so I decided to use dry shampoo instead in between of my washes. So yeah, I've been enjoying this a lot. I love the scent. Even John is in love of the scent, and yeah, it says you just have to spray in sweeping motions, wait 30 seconds, and massage it and shake to remove all the whiteness. I do recommend this if you're interested on buying this living proof perfect hair day dry shampoo. Okay, so the next thing I got, and I'm going to leave the best for the end, obviously, are the makeup remover cleansing towelettes. These are from Neutrogena. These are just makeup wipes. I got two because this comes with 25 wipes and I use them every day, so this would be like not even a month use, and that's why I always buy two. Sometimes it's like $7.99 at Ulta. I think I can get them cheaper anywhere, but I do buy them at Ulta just because of the points, and sometimes they even get like a buy one and get one for 50% off. I didn't get that discount this time, but I did buy them just to rank up the price to get free shipping, I think it was. So I was just going to buy one and I decided to buy two. But these are really good. I like that they're really hydrating and they take all my makeup off, even my really good mascara, the Urban Decay the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. And yeah, I mean, I love them a lot. It says cleanse and remove makeup, even waterproof mascara. Oh, it says right there. Okay, I didn't read this, but that's why I really love them, because it does take your mascara even if it's waterproof, and it removes, like with one wipe, it removes all of my makeup, and sometimes I really have heavy makeup, and it facilitates the process of me cleaning my face at night. And I know this is short, but I think this is the product I am most excited about. It's the ColourPop Eyeshadow Palette that was in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. And this is the box right here. It's really pretty. I don't know if you can see the moons right here and some stars right over here. I do like it a lot. It comes with, let's see, 3, 6, 9. It comes with 12 shades. I've seen this online, and I know she released it a little while, but it came new to Ulta. And Ulta sent me like 20% coupon on an email, and I decided to pick it up. I think I was going to use it for this, but instead I used it for this. I mean, this palette is not expensive anyways, but with the coupon it cost me 12 bucks. So I thought it was really, really good, you know, a really good sale. I wanted to unbox it with you guys because I've seen so many pretty things online, like pictures and stuff with it. And I do love this packaging. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a rose gold, and it's not white. It's mostly like ivory shade. And then on the back, it has the eyeshadow colors and names. I mean, the eyeshadow names, I should say. It's like a glossy, it's carded, but the rose gold part, it's a little bit shiny. I mean, I guess you can tell from the camera, right? And I'm going to open it for the first time. Nice. These are so pretty. I feel like the picture on the like online or anywhere does not make justice to how pretty it looks. I hope you guys can see how pretty it is in the camera. It doesn't come with a mirror, so that's a little bit of a bummer, but I feel like for 12 bucks it's not bad. I do like that it has some pop of color with this little pink, and this blue, and then this other blue right here, like the dark teal. It's really pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, I feel like I want to swatch it for you just to see how creamy they are. I'm not gonna do a makeup look today because I already did my eyes, but they are so pretty. Okay guys, so I'm going to insert some swatches for you, and I'm going to start with the first row, and the names in the first row are Shooting Star, Magical, Stardust, and Twinkle. These are really pretty eyeshadows. I love that they were really buttery when I swatched them on my hand. I haven't tried them on the eyes, but I will keep you posted. The only thing I was a little bit skeptical about was the fact that while I was swirling my finger on the palette, the eyeshadow kind of like swirled with me, so I feel like they can be maybe loose on the palette, so I'm going to be really careful every time I pick it up. I don't want to drop it and have them fall from the palette. That's all. Now for the second row, I do love this row. I feel like it's going to be my favorite, and it will be my favorite on the eyeshadow palette, and their names are Sweet Dreams, Water Bearer, Potion, and Spark. I do love these colors. I feel like they're really colorful, but still natural on the natural side. You know, you can combine them with the rest of the colors in the palette. I feel like they're really cohesive, and I do love this shimmer shadow. I feel like it's going to be the best or the favorite on the entire palette. I also like that the colorful shadows are like really pigmented. You can see it in my swatch, and I do love that. I feel like they'll be really promising. And for the last row, we have Kaleidoscope, Elfish, Moony, and Mermaid Boy. And I love this green shadow because it has like a chrome effect to it. And I do have a few palettes that have this kind of greenish, brownish color. I have the Pirates of the Caribbean palette. I also have the Tarte's Pro palette from Tarte, and they do have this color right here, but I feel like this one is really buttery. I hope it performs well on the eyes because I do have a problem with this color on the eyes for the other eyeshadow palettes, so I'll just keep you posted. But these colors are really good. I do like that I have a dark brown because it can intensify my outer V. Anyways, I am really excited I got this palette. I feel like it's just really pretty. I love Kathleen Lights, and I like to watch her videos. She's a big YouTuber here in the makeup community. I do follow her, so I'm really excited to have this palette, and I can't wait to use it. So I probably do like a makeup tutorial or maybe like first impressions on it, so stay tuned. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, just let me know in the comment section below and give me a thumbs up. I'm not sure if you guys do want me to do like these small hauls because I do them a lot. It's very rare that I do like a huge haul compared to little ones. I always buy like one product or two products at a time, but I do regularly. So if you guys don't mind watching these mini hauls, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll keep recording them to you every time I buy a product. I also do want to mention that if you haven't registered to my giveaway, it is still on. I feel like it will be on till the last day of May. I'll put the date and time right here so you guys know when it ends. So if you haven't registered, please do so. I'm going to link that video down below, and that video will have the giveaway link on the description box. I'll also tag the video on the cards right here for your convenience. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.